I was for a long time really interested in language, and I know that language developed out of sounds and holos, so there's a lot of sounds in it, or so they have also resonance in our body, but what it meant in Greece, where it came from, the whole, the complete. And I use it in my work, the word, quite often, because I understand that everything, when we see a whole, it actually consists of parts, and every whole consists of parts, and these parts need to communicate. And I look at wherever I look on an atomar level, atoms, that they work together and make all the elements, so it's different little parts, they need to communicate in a way to make a certain element. And these atoms need to work together and communicate to make molecules, where our body is made from, organic molecules. So on that level also, atoms, the parts, make a whole. All our transmission in our brain, proteins, all the parts in our body are made from these molecules. On the next level, a cell consists of parts that communicate, because the cell is the smallest part of an alive organism, and for billions of years, actually 2 billion years, we had only one cell organism on this planet. So they found a way to be in harmony with the surrounding. So the whole always needs to be open to the environment. When we take that on to the next level, organs, my heart, my lung, that fulfill the function that a cell had for metabolism and exchange, need to work together for the whole. A lot of times we stop there. We say, okay, human being has a mind, has a heart, has lungs, has these things, and we have a whole culture that actually divides the whole in parts and specializes on the parts. So we have cardiologists, we have endocrinologists, we have doctors for child, but the point is the coming together and communicating for the whole. So when we stop with a human being, we say, this person, we don't see anymore that also the person is part of a bigger whole, a group, a family. And when we see that, then we see right now it's so much as to see this, that we are part of a bigger whole, and we need to communicate for the benefit of the whole. So every whole, holos, consists of parts that need to communicate for the benefit of the whole, but the whole is not only the sum of the parts, the whole is always something new and bigger. When I take this further, groups of people are also part of life on earth, the animals, the plants. So also there, the whole needs to communicate for the benefit of the whole. And somehow in our culture we developed like as if we feel excluded, not part of this anymore. So holos means an understanding, and understanding for me comes out of an understanding, but also an experience of what we just talked about. So a holistic being experiencing himself in exchange as part of a whole and consisting of wholes, and the integration of this. That means holos for me.